Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have my update for Project Level Up. So I have been working on my level 3 palette for the past couple of months, and that has been my Nabla Secret palette. I do think for the new year I am going to reset this project. I am just not getting anywhere really with this palette, so I want to just have a clean start for this project, start back at level 1, and I will kind of go ahead and see how I feel about this project throughout the year. I love level 1. Level 2 gets a little trickier, but I still like it. But by the time we get to level 3, I just get so kind of burnt out working on the same palette for so long. So I'm going to have to see if there's a way that I can still make this project work for me, but I am just going to go back down to level 1 for this video, and I know that I'm gonna be excited about reaching that goal at least. But before we get into that, I will go ahead and just give my final update conclusion on this palette. So this has been my level 3 palette, and the goal is to use every shade 3 times and hit 3 pans. So I will insert a picture of what this palette has looked like previously. And here is what it looks like today. So there's going to be very little progress from the last update. I have not reached for this a ton at all, but I will just go through my uses. So starting with aesthetic here, I reached for this once this past month for 4 uses within this project. Same with Contigo, 1 use this month for 4 uses total. Big experience. I did reach for once. That was my first use with this shade. Same with Julieta. Those two have each been used once now. Romeo, I have reached for once this past month for 2 uses total within this project. And Play Hard, I reached for once for 4 uses within this project. These next shades here, I have not reached for all this past month, but if you go back to my previous update, I did have a little bit of usage on some of them. The shade I Promise, I reached for once for 4 uses within this project. I did not reach for any of these, and then I reached for Na Black once for 2 uses within this project. So again, not a ton of use. I knew that kind of going into this update, and that is a big reason why I want to just refresh, reset this project. I think it is going to just be a better choice for me, and I will be able to get more use on a different palette. Alright, so I have my Tiny Decisions wheel pulled up here, and I will randomize a palette for level 1. Glitter Realm, A Whole New World. I'm going to go grab that and be right back. So here is my Glitter Realm, A Whole New World palette. This is one of my favorites in my collection, so this is very exciting that it is going to be rolling into this project. I am happy that it is rolling in for level 1. Since there are 18 shades in here, I feel like the usage goal is going to be a lot more manageable with 1 use each. And then I am going to have to hit pan on a shade, which I am definitely excited to do. And I think I know which shade I'm going to aim for. It is arguably a kind of boring shade in this palette, but I think I might go for Abu here. That one has the biggest dip out of these shades, I would say. And it is, of course, an easy to use brown matte shade. The pans aren't super deep, but it is still going to take me some dedicated use to get there. But I'm excited. Again, I do love this palette. It is so fun. It's so inspiring to me. I just love all of the shades in here, the colors. The formula is super nice as well, so I am very happy to be pulling this one out and getting some really nice dedicated use on it. So this is going to be my new level 1 palette. I am so happy I decided to just reset this project. I'm so much more excited to be working on this palette and reaching these level 1 goals. So let me know what you guys thought, what you think of this palette. What do you think I will be able to accomplish by next update? Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And with all of that said, I will see you in my next video. Bye!